Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Linux Mint versus Pop! OS. So let's dive in. And let's start with Linux Mint. Now Mint is built for ease of use, making it perfect for users switching from Windows. It comes in three flavors: Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE, with Cinnamon as the flagship. And Mint gives you a traditional desktop layout with a taskbar, start menu, and system tray, along with pre-installed multimedia codecs, Firefox, LibreOffice, and media players. Its update manager focuses on stability, and lightweight XFCE versions run well on older hardware. Now, let's talk about Pop! OS. Developed by System 76, Pop! OS is designed for modern design, performance, and productivity. It uses a GNOME-based desktop with an optional tiling window manager for multitasking. Pop! OS has built-in support for NVIDIA and AMD drivers, making it great for gaming, programming, or creative workflows. Its sleek, minimal design, and optimizations make it efficient for power users. So, which one should you actually choose? I want to say you want to choose Linux Mint if you're new to Linux. You want a stable, familiar desktop or need something lightweight for older hardware. And you want to choose Pop! OS if you want a modern, productivity focused system, care about gaming or creative performance, or enjoy the built in tooling and optimizations out of the box. Both are actually excellent, but it really depends on whether you value stability and familiarity or modern design and productivity. So that's it. If this helped you decide, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.